In this lesson, we're going to be solving for rate by setting up equivalent fractions and finding the product of the means equals product of the extremes, which also means to cross multiply. This problem tells us that a migrating bird flies 384 miles in 12 hours. We want to know how many miles does it fly in 8 hours. To start, we're going to consider that we are comparing miles to hours. It tells us that the migrating bird travels 384 miles in 12 hours. We want to know how many miles does the bird fly in 8 hours. First, I'm going to multiply 384 times 8. Then I'm going to multiply 12 times x, giving me 12x. I'm going to come over on the side to solve 384 times 8. I know that 8 times 4 is 32. I know that 8 times 8 is 64, plus 3 is 67. 8 times 3 is 24, plus 6 is 30. So I know that 384 times 8 is 3,072. And I have that set equal to 12 times x, or 12x. Now I'm going to use inverse operations to solve for x. I know that 12 times x is multiplication, the inverse operation being division. So I'm going to divide both sides by 12. I'm going to come to the side again to do my division. I know that 12 goes into 30 twice. 2 times 12 is 24, leaving me with 6. I'm going to bring down the 7. I know that 12 goes into 67 5 times. 5 times 12 gives me 60. Subtract and get 7. And last, bring down the 2, leaving me with 72. And I know that 12 times 6 is 72, telling me that 3,072 divided by 12 is 256. And on this side of the balance, I know that that is x, telling me that the bird flies 256 miles in 8 hours.